Of ankle, that is the lateral ligaments of the ankle today. Here we can see this is the fibula, this is the tibia, distal end of tibia, this is the fibula, and we go down, this is the talus. Okay, so what we see here, this is a PDFS image of an ankle, right ankle. So here we can see this T2 hypointense band. What we are seeing anteriorly is the anterior inferior tibiofibular ligament, and this is the posterior inferior tibiofibular ligament. So these are the anterior and posterior tibiofibular ligaments. So as we go down, we can see this band which is joining the anterior inferior aspect of the fibula and the talus. There is anterior talofibular ligament. This is the anterior talofibular ligament. We can trace it down like this. See, this is the anterior talofibular ligament. So this is the anterior talofibular ligament, and what do you have? This fan shaped ligament posteriorly. This is the posterior talofibular ligament. We can see this is almost looks similar to the anterior cruciate ligament. Morphologically, the posterior talofibular ligament and anterior cruciate ligament look similar. See this, we have this hyperintense signal on the PDFS image, which is normal, but the fibrillary pattern is maintained. So where is our CFL? That is calcaneofibular ligament. If we see, this is the fibula. Okay, if we go down, you see this T2 hypointense band which is attaching the calcaneum. So if we trace it down up, see that goes and joins the tip of fibula medial to the peroneal tendons. This T2 hypointense band, if we trace it down, it goes and attaches onto the lateral aspect of the calcaneum here and merges with the periosteum. This band, T2 hypointense band, is our calcaneofibular ligament. So this is a calcaneofibular ligament, this is the anterior talofibular ligament, this is the posterior talofibular ligament. As we go up, we see anterior inferior tibiofibular ligament, this is the anterior inferior tibiofibular ligament, posterior inferior tibiofibular ligament. Yeah. So these are the lateral ligaments of the ankle. So if I show you the same thing on the coronal images, I'll try to show you. Yeah, here you can see this is the anterior inferior tibiofibular ligament. This is a syndesmosis, what we are seeing, that is interosseous membrane between the tibia, distal tibia and fibula. Okay, so this is a tomb of talus. This is the tibial atlas surface, this is the fibular atlas surface, this is a tibio-talar joint. So as we see, as I'm going anteriorly, we'll start. Yeah, this ligament which is joining from the fibula, tip of the fibula to the talus, is the anterior talofibular ligament. And if we see here, this band which is joining the calcaneum and the tip of fibula. So this is our calcaneofibular ligament. And as I go posteriorly, this fan shaped hyperintense ligament, what we are finding is the posterior talofibular ligament. So these are the ligaments of the lateral aspect of the ankle. Thank you.